Hi and welcome back to Lavender Coco Kitchen. Well, here is a very frequent guest on my show.
Yes.
My daughter Lakshmi.
Hello everybody, again.
You've got a nice hairstyle, like it's a new hairstyle. I haven't seen that one before.
That's because it's a wig.
Well, I never would guess. I thought you cut your hair.
I would never cut my hair.
Well, Lakshmi, I know that you like cookies.
Give me the cookies.
We're not actually making cookies, but we're making cookie dough. Have you ever liked to eat the dough before you bake the cookies?
Well, I haven't made them in ages, so I haven't eaten any.
No.
But I remember eating some and it was amazing.
We're going to make healthy vegan cookie dough.
Oh my goodness.
That doesn't need to be cooked.
Is this the kind of dough you can eat and not feel sick?
Yeah, and it's really healthy too.
Yes.
It's low in sugar and it's got very satisfying ingredients that are low GI, low in carbohydrate, or they're good forms of carbohydrate. So we're going to make two separate cookie doughs, which you can eat on their own separately as they are, or you can combine them to make cookie dough squares. We're going to make cookie dough number 1. So we've got here almond meal. It's about 1.5 cups.
Almond meal.
I just made that myself by blending whole almonds. And it's actually better to make your own almond meal and use whole almonds with the skins on.
Wow.
Because a lot of their nutrients are in the skin. So just put it in there.
All of it?
Yeah. So to sweeten it, we'll use some maple syrup.
I use this on my breakfast.
We need about 2 tablespoons.
2.
So it's not got a lot of sweetness in it, but that'll be enough. You used all my maple syrup.
This is your recipe.
Oh no. So we need a tablespoon of coconut oil. Yeah, that should be plenty. Need a tablespoon of vanilla. Vanilla paste or vanilla extract. Quickly, there we go. Yeah.
Tasty.
Right, that's all.
Is that it?
Yeah.
Wait, is that actually it?
Well, we're going to add chocolate after. But first we have to blend that till it makes like a paste or a dough. You have a dough. So now we want to add some chocolates. Well, we're only going to use like half of these, so a 1/4 cup. So I'll just roughly blend that in. Yeah, time to taste
Get it. Get it.
See if it's like nice cookie dough. Does it taste like cookie dough?
Yeah, with a bit of a hint of like caramelly sort of roasted nut flavour.
That would probably come from the almonds. Yeah.
Very nice.
We need to put it into the tin and then press it down. And dip the spoon in a bit of water so it doesn't stick. Cookie dough 2.
Number 2!
Yeah, number 2. So we need chickpeas for this.
Okay.
Just got chickpeas in there.
Delicious.
So we only need about 1 cup.
Chickpeas in a cookie dough?
Yeah, you may not expect chickpeas in a cookie dough, but they actually blend really smooth and make a nice cookie dough that's healthy. So you can snack on this whenever you want, pretty much. Stop eating them, I need some of the dough. So we need 3 tablespoons of nut butter. You can use any nut butter. This is what I made myself, and I've got recipes on YouTube if you want to know how to make your own nut butter. We'll put 3 tablespoons. Since you like to use up all my ingredients,
what the heck?
Reminds me, because we have no maple syrup left, there is a good alternative.
What's that?
Coconut syrup. I think you've tried it before.
Yes, I have.
And it's a really delicious low GI form of sugar. So we need 1.5 tablespoons, either maple syrup or coconut syrup. We need 1.5 tablespoons of vanilla. And just enough vanilla as well.
You used all your ingredients.
Yeah. Yep, the rest of these using my ingredients.
This isn't my recipe. I don't even cook.
Yeah, I
I'm
know.
just kidding. Pastas and curries.
Yeah, you do. You make really good
Thank you.
savouries. All right, we need a teaspoon of cinnamon. That's it then.
All right.
We'll just blend that up now. So we've got the rest of the chocolate. We're just going to put that in. Cookie dough number 2.
Wow.
You can have a taste.
Time to taste.
Let's see what this one's like.
Mmm. Mmm.
No? Can you actually taste chickpeas or not really?
Because I know they're in there,
Mm.
I can define them, but if I didn't know, I probably wouldn't know.
Yeah.
Mm.
Yeah, I think you're right. You wouldn't know unless you do know they're in there.
Serve it to your guests and don't tell them.
Yeah, good idea. You can eat that, just like that.
Mm.
Or we can use it to make the cookie dough squares. Makes a nice light layer over the dark layer.
Wolf layer.
Yeah, nice contrast. See, this one is a little bit sloppier than the other one. So it depends if you like a firm cookie dough or a more like sloppy cookie dough. So what we do, we put this in the freezer for a while and it'll firm up. Then we can just cut it into squares. Okay, that's been in the freezer a little while. I mean, it could be a little firmer, probably, but I'll just show you what we do. So you can see, all you really need to do is just cut it into pieces. Little piece of cookie dough.
Amazing. Good job.
Good.
Now everybody go make this and eat it.
Yeah. Well, you saw how easy it is to make. So instead of going to McDonald's, you could try this, couldn't you? And you'll be filling your body with nice, healthy ingredients.
Amazing.
Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Thank you.